This passage from the Sarvaroganisundari commentary explains the rationale behind the sequence of chapters in the Ashtanga Hridayam and why the Nidanasthanam section on diagnosis follows the Sharirasthanam section on the body. Here is a detailed breakdown of the commentary. Introduction to Nidanasthanam. The commentator begins by invoking Lord Ganesha, as is customary, and then introduces the topic of Nidanasthanam, which follows the Sharirasthanam. The Sharirasthanam is described as laying the foundation by explaining the body, after which the Nidanasthanam focuses on the causes and symptoms of diseases. Purpose of Nidanasthanam. The commentator explains that Ayurveda is based on 3 pillars: Hu causes, Ling symptoms, and Asht treatment. The Sutrasthanam section on fundamental principles already discusses these 3 aspects briefly, but in the following sections, they are elaborated in more detail. Sequence justification. There is an important question raised. Why not teach about medicines first, given that treatment seems primary? The answer is that without first understanding the causes and symptoms of diseases, proper treatment cannot be administered. Therefore, it is necessary to study the Het causes and Ling symptoms before the actual treatment. This justifies the placement of the Nidanasthanam before the chapters on treatment. Reference to Charaka. The commentator references a key verse from the Charaka Samhita, which states, one should first examine the disease and only then decide on the medicine. This emphasizes the importance of diagnosis before treatment. Importance of understanding disease causes. The commentator notes that the first chapter of Nidanasthanam appropriately begins with the causes of all diseases, as understanding the cause is the first step in treatment. The underlying principle is that all diseases are caused by the aggravation of the body's doshas, primarily Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, which are disturbed due to various factors.